What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set custom wallpaper on your Fire Boltt smartwatch. So if you want to change the wallpaper of your Fire Boltt smartwatch, or you want to be able to use your own photo as wallpaper or watch face for your Fire Boltt smartwatch, this video is going to guide you on how to do that on any Fire Boltt smartwatch you have. Now the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to first of all make sure you turn on the Bluetooth and service location of your phone. So make sure your Bluetooth of your phone is turned on, and over here make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone so that we can actually connect it with our Fire Boltt smartwatch over here. Head over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store of your phone, and where you have the search bar at the bottom over here, you want to go ahead and search for DaFit, which is actually the app that works with Fire Boltt smartwatches. Now make sure you download and install this app into your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone. And once the app is downloaded and installed, you want to go ahead and open it up. The setup process for this smartwatch app is quite simple. You just want to agree to the terms and conditions over here, give it permission to access your location, which we have turned on initially on the video. Also give it permission to search for nearby devices, so click on allow. Now it will start to search for nearby devices, but you can actually skip this and do it later. So click on device not found, skip, and then click on the done button over here. Now we have successfully set up the app. You also want to click on the allow button to be able to send notifications from your phone to your Fire Boltt smartwatch. And at this point, for us to be able to connect our Fire Boltt smartwatch to the Fire Boltt smartwatch app, which is the DaFit app, you want to click on this button at the bottom over here. It is actually the third button. Select it, then click on add devices over here. Now it will start to look for our Fire Boltt smartwatch once again. Over here you can literally see mine. I will select it just like so, and it is trying to connect, and automatically both devices are now connected together. Now in order for you to ensure that it works properly, you also have to make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth. So once you get this pop-up, make sure you click on the pair button. Now to be able to set a custom wallpaper for our Fire Boltt smartwatch, what you want to do is to select this first option over here under watch faces. Just click on edit, then you want to just scroll through this list of icons over here, scroll to the end. You're going to see the choose from album, select that as well. Now click on your phone's gallery, and then proceed to select any image you want to use as the watch face or wallpaper for your Fire Boltt smartwatch. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this image over here. Now you also want to make sure you crop this, so crop it whichever way you want. Then go ahead and click on the check button at the top, and you can also adjust where you want your text to be. So you can actually just go over here and choose position and then put it below, then click on done, and it will actually come over to the bottom. Now click on save. Click on save, and as you can see, the whole process is now completing. Now once it is done, you can now see that our wallpaper or watch face on our Fire Boltt smartwatch has also changed. So basically that is how to set your own wallpaper or watch face or custom wallpaper for your Fire Boltt smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.